If you're looking for a beautiful vet, let's take a look at this 1981 Chevrolet Corvette. Great story behind this car. Actually was brought to us by the original owner. Bought this car brand new back in 1981. Original miles on it, a little over 14,000 original miles. This car is out of north central Iowa, was never driven in any inclement weather. Basically was stored, covered up in his garage where he kept his cars at, and he just decided it was time to part with his toy. Wasn't driving enough, needs to be put into somebody else's hands that's going to use it and enjoy it. Some things that he passed along. Has had the rubber replaced within the last 3 to 4 years. Other than that, it was the original tires it was on. The AC compressor does turn on and off. I think it could probably use a recharge. It was blowing cool, but I think it could even be better. But yeah, the compressor does turn on and off on the AC. This is a power steering, power brake, power window car. It's also nicely equipped. You can see the paint is in very nice shape. Now, of course, with these nose cones, this being plastic and the rest of the car being glass, you do get a little bit a different color of red on those throughout time. And again, he states that this is original paint. He never had the car repainted. You can find a few little flaws in it. I left this one right here. You can see it. One little chip down in the headlight. Now you could, of course, touch this up with Chevy factory touch-up paint. There's a couple of spots where you can see it's been done. But overall, I mean, you consider the age of this car and just take a look at the condition it's in. Very nice car. You take a look underneath it. It appears to have the original catalytic converter on there. I believe along the line he did put mufflers on it also, judging by looking at underneath it. But very, very clean car. Wheels, no curb rash, anything like that. Just, again, considering the age, kind of a time capsule. We buffed it, brought back the paint a little bit, waxed it, and that's really all that we had done with the cosmetic of this car. And you're going to see the interior when I get to that too. We did do just a little bit of brake work for him that we'd have records up to when it came in. But other than that, this car is ready to go. Get in, turn the key, and take her down the road. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, check out the engine bay. Just see how clean this car is. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, you can also click on the link, and that is going to take you right to our website. 507-386-1726 is the number you can reach us at. Take a look up and down this car, not full of chips, nicks, dings, scratches. And then look at the interior. So we got red on red, of course, the original colors. This is the original interior. Doesn't appear that passenger seat's hardly been sat in. Original floor mats, carpeting, dash. Now, of course, this would have the 350 V8 Chev engine underneath the hood. That's going to be paired with the automatic transmission there, as you can see. Shifter in the center console. T-top car, of course. Come around to the back here and you can take a look again. I'll kind of show you. It is a very close red, but there is just a little bit of difference on the front and rear fascias compared to the fiberglass, and you see that quite often on these Vettes due to the material that's being painted, with the fascia being plastic, and like I said, the rest of the Vette fiberglass. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, be happy to assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Did take the T-tops off, so we looked at that interior a little bit better and pictured up like that. Obviously, there's the T-tops. Also, very nice shape. Just can't say enough about the condition of this car. Headlights up and down, functioning, work properly, all's good there. Did have the AM/FM radio, works fine in this one also. Again, power windows, those work great. So check out the driver's side of this car, nice and close also. Again, you can see the paint has a nice luster to it for original early 80s GM paint. You know what that can get like. Again, you can see the condition of the rubber, still soft and pliable. Let's go ahead and start this up here. I think I can reach in and should fire right up. All right, tilt wheel, telescopic wheel, as you can see. I click these headlights on too while I've got it running. See how quickly and evenly they came up. Gauges all appear to be working except the clock. I did not notice the clock working. Tach, speedometer. There you can see that odometer too. What is it? 14,152. Again, take a look at this seat. Over time, it had one little tear where it gave way. But other than that, just take a look at this thing. See the condition of the carpeting, everything in the back. Lots of times that would obviously be all faded. They sat out much. You can tell this was sat indoors, well taken care of. I'm going to pop the hood too so we can check out this engine bay. Again, pretty much all stock. See how smooth the engine runs, power steering, power brakes, like I said. AC compressor was turning on and off for me. And according to the original owner, bought this new. Never had the engine taken out or anything like that done, so this would be the original engine for this car. Slip around to the other side. See the lights working, came up fine. There you have it. 1981 Chevrolet Corvette. One owner, a little over 14,000 original miles. Beautiful car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, the website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click down below this video on the link. That's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure help you get this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.